Solution to exercise 1. The first numerator can be factored as 5x plus 1 times 3x minus 4. The first denominator can be factored as, this is 21x to the 7 minus 34x to the 6 plus 8x to the 5. Yeah, 8x to the 5. Magic numbers, negative 6, negative 28. Product, x to the 5 times 7x minus 2 times 3x minus 4. Put it together, you can divide by 3x minus 4, you are left with 5x plus 1 over x to the 5 times 7x minus 2. If you cannot factor, forget about this chapter. Exercise 2. X plus 2 times x minus 2, a difference of 2 squares, factor out the greatest common factor. You probably have to say this is the opposite of x minus 2, so that the x minus 2 and the x minus 2 becomes 1. You're stuck with a negative 1 here. So my answer is negative 5 times the quantity x plus 2. Now the next one is going to be more interesting. We have n sub 1, n sub 2, and so on. So n sub 2, n sub 2 is equal to d sub 2. We multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. N sub 2 is right here, d sub 2 is right here. They're the same. Doesn't matter whether we can factor or not. Quantity over the same quantity is 1. We are left with the following. That's n sub 1 over d sub 1, n sub 3 over d sub 3. For n sub 1, greatest common factor is 1. 3 doesn't go in here. There's no x in here. Product sum. We get 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 5. For d sub 1, greatest common factor 1. Magic numbers negative 1, 10. X minus 1, x plus 10. I had told you that if you get 1 times x squared, you can use the magic numbers immediately. You don't need these to split up the middle term and then group and factor out again. But that works only if you have 1 times x squared. Okay? Only if you have 1 times x squared. N sub 3 turns out to be x minus 3 times x plus 10. You can stop the video, you can look at this. And then for d sub 3, greatest common factor is again 1. Magic numbers 12, negative 15. Product, 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 5. Put it all together. 3x plus 4 over 3x plus 4 is 1. 3x minus 5 over 3x minus 5 is 1. X plus 10 over x plus 10 is 1. We are left with x minus 3 over x minus 1.